Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install and run Ghosty on Ubuntu 24. Ghosty is a lightweight terminal utility that makes your terminal experience much more efficient. In this guide, I will walk you through the step to install Ghosty using Snap. So let's get started. Let's check the OS details. This is my OS which is installed on a virtual box. Ubuntu 24 is the OS version I'm using. So before we start with the installation, it's always good idea to make sure your system is up to date. Open the terminal and run this command apt update. If you want to upgrade, you can use this command. If not, you can just update the system. This is the command. If you don't want to upgrade, just remove the last command and run sudo apt update. Give the sudo password. This ensures your system is fully updated and ready for the installation. Now let's talk about Snap. Snapd is already pre-installed on Ubuntu 24, so you don't have to worry about installing it separately. Snap allows you to install and manage application easily. If you are using Ubuntu 16.04 or later version, including the following versions, Snapd comes with pre-installed, such as Ubuntu 16.04, Ubuntu 18.04, Ubuntu 20.04, Ubuntu 22.04, and the Ubuntu 24.x release version. If you are unsure whether Snap is installed or not, you can check it by running the command snap version. If it is installed, you will get the version. If Snap is not installed for some reason, you can simply install it by using this command snap apt install snapd-y. This command will install the package. As I'm already on my system, it is already installed, so I will skip this step. And after installing, you need to run this command systemctl enable --now space snap d. This command you need to run. But as mentioned, it's already available on my machine, so we are good to go. Once Snap is ready, installing Ghosty is really easy. All you need to do is run a single command sudo snap install ghosty edge classic. So it will take some time to download and install. After the installation is done, we need to verify with ghosty version. I will pause the video. Once this is done, I will resume back. The installation is done. Let's verify ghosty with version version. This will show you the installed ghosty version. So to start Ghosty, just simply type the command in the terminal ghosty tty, and the Ghosty terminal should get open now. Here you can see on the left hand side, Ghosty terminal is open, and there you go, Ghosty is launched, and now you can start using it right away. Example, I want to run date, or the same command, everything it will get executed with this command, and this is pretty much easy to learn this terminal. So let's discuss why we have chosen Snap for installing Ghosty. Because of few reasons: easy of installation, Snap handles all the dependency for you, so there is no need to manually manage them. Snap updates Snap keeps your application up to date automatically, and also Snaps works on various Linux distribution, which makes it versatile and easy to use no matter your distro. That's it for this video. You have successfully installed and launched Ghosty on your Ubuntu 24 system. It's a simple and efficient way to enhance your terminal experience. Start exploring Ghosty features and see how it can improve your workflow. For more advanced configuration, you can check out the official Ghosty GitHub repository or explore their detailed documentation on their official website. We will share all the links and details in the description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.